If you want to watch members-only videos on YouTube, here's how to do it. First, open the YouTube app or go to youtube.com on your computer. Navigate to the channel you want to support. If the channel offers memberships, you'll see a join button next to subscribe. Tap join, check the monthly cost and perks, then confirm your membership. Once you're a member, there are 2 ways to access exclusive videos. First, tap on the Videos tab. Member-only videos usually have a green circle with a star to indicate exclusivity. Second, scroll over to the Membership tab on the channel. Here you can see all members-only content, including videos, live streams, and community posts. Don't want to pay? You can use gift subscriptions. If a friend sends you a membership as a gift, you'll get a notification via email. And that's it. Now you can enjoy all members-only videos, live streams, and posts from your favorite creators.